Good morning. Time is 5:40. I just came out to check my new mic setup. It's basically same mic. So I tried some jugaad to suppress the wind noise. Let's see how it works. If my voice is still as clear as before with reduced wind noise. And also testing my Zoom H1n with new wind muff cover on in front of it and with new gain settings. Let's see how that sounds as well. And the climate looks very good. Look at the clouds. So most probably I'll be testing out slow speed wind noise, little bit like I'll do 120. Let's test at 120 how much wind noise is coming with visor open and visor closed. Let's test it out. Hopefully my test will come out good. Let's see. So with added protection of wind muff, so the mic is actually in front of my mouth, literally. Actually, this is the first time I'm looking at the lake view in the morning. Oh, I did not know that we can see a lake view from here. I'm now testing slow speed around 60 to 80 kilometer. Let's see how it sounds. I think today the S sound you might be feeling a little bit weird, because literally the mic is hitting on my mouth. So this is 80, visor open. I'll close the visor now. It's not fully closed yet. Oh, I did not lock, by the way. So now it's locked and test the 80. So this is visor fully closed at 80. I don't have the nose deflector. I lost it somewhere else. This is LS2 scope. Now this is 80 with visor open again. Okay, I might head back to home. I have to sleep. This is the city view. Looks spectacular, right? Let me take a pass over here and try to clean the lens. It is, I think, as smudged, but I really want to clean the water droplets inside my lens. That I cannot do right now. I'll go home and remove the water. Angle check. Literally at 150, mic is on inside my mouth. I'm trying to improve my audio quality. I think at some point video angle might not be good. It might be just the speedometer and some of bit of a road, I believe. Okay, these are my guys. My guys are waiting for me. Wait. Oh, see, he is coming. It's been so long since I met these guys. என்னடா ஆச்சு காலுக்கு? Wait, உனக்கும் கால் அடிபட்டிருக்கு, எனக்கும் கால் அடிபட்டிருக்கு. It's been so long since I played with these guys. See, these three guys always confuses me. Can you guys see? So those guys went for the duty. Driving without a gloves actually feels very different for me. Like, I don't usually drive without a glove. Not usually. Almost all of the time I wear gloves. Like, sometimes like this distance I don't wear a glove. Okay, I hope there is nothing to enjoy in this video, but still I'll ask the same question. I hope you enjoyed the video, and ride safe, stay safe. Until then, tata, bye bye. I hope you guys can see me walking. Okay, I'm stopping the video. See you on the next vlog. Bye bye.